you have to hold that button in as you press each axis to move it, which is a bit weird. I thought that was a rapid button, but it's not. So you move your axes like that. Another little trick is that to get the tool presetting arm to come down, you have to hold the ready button as you press the preset button. So, and the tool measurement arm works in zero return, rapid, jog and hand wheel, so you can be in any mode. It will also, that's your turret index button, that's for if you've got a second turret, so it will also work, it'll index the turret while the arm's down, so you can crack into that dead easy. You can jog it in at any feed rate you want, so I recommend setting that on 50, and don't forget you can rapid. So you move it close to the tool measurement arm in the hand wheel mode, and then use your jog button to feed it in. It does jump to the correct offset, so you don't have to worry about that. It jumps to the offset screen and the correct offset. And let's just look inside. That's the tool measurement arm there. Tool right close up to it.